What is going on, guys? We're back with yet another video. I just got done baling hay for a local neighbor. Trying to get everything wrapped up. We've been baling hay for like a solid week now. It's crazy. But I'm about to run over to my buddy Chad's. He's got the 79. Probably get a little video of it. And also he's gonna compare a little motor work. So I'll see you guys over there. Okay guys, like I said, I'm heading over to my buddy Chad's. He's the one that's got the 79. He wants to look at this, my 98 as well, but I believe we are going to be looking at some tire options, wheel and tire options, but I'm not for sure what I'm going to go with. He ordered my tires already, but I'm not quite sure with the wheel yet, but I guess I'll decide once I get over there. I know it's going to be a 14 wide, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna go new school or old school. I'm just gonna kind of throw some samples on the truck, maybe show you guys, and we'll go from there. But yeah, I'm heading over there now. I'll bring you guys back once I get over there, because I really don't want to try and talk and drive like I am. But yeah, like I said, I'll bring you guys back when I get over there, so stay tuned.
Ryan Little.
Alright guys, well, we're sitting here at LS Custom, my buddy Chad. As you can see, there's a 79. Got to talking about some plans for it and stuff. Didn't get it to put any wheels or tires on it. We're gonna wait till we get it pulled into the shop there. So I'm about to head home. You can see a sign over there, it's starting to get dark. But yeah, that's basically all I did tonight other than bale hay. So once we get stuff rolling on the 79, I'll have more videos coming for it. But stay tuned guys, I'm probably gonna continue this video on tomorrow, so I'll see you then. Okay guys, as you can see, we have the truck loaded down with hay. I told you guys earlier in the video that I had to go deliver hay today. Did get some front end parts ordered for the truck. If you don't have me on Snapchat, I'll stick it down in this area, so go check it out. I posted what I bought for this truck on my Snapchat last night. So should be some good. I'm gonna load up and hit the road. I'll bring you guys back shortly. Okay guys, well, we've been on the road for probably 15 minutes now. Stopped at a gas station, grabbed some drinks and snacked for the drive up there. It's an hour drive up there. I'm gonna try to avoid the interstate because I really don't want to take it with this hay on the back. And middle of Indiana is getting construction done on the interstate, so it is down to like 1 or 2 lanes, so I'm gonna just avoid all that. But if you guys are new to the channel, I will be having some videos coming up of the 79 here shortly. It is over at Chad's, as you've seen in the previous videos or previous clip of this video. Gonna have the motor going in, new trainee going in, lift kit, wheels and tires here shortly. Have some awesome videos coming of it, and I've been looking at another truck. Haven't decided if I want to go a long bed or a short bed on this truck yet, but we'll just see what happens. So stay tuned guys, and I'll see you shortly. Peace. Okay guys, we made it home. I figured I'd just go ahead and tell you guys what I ordered for the truck. I ordered all new front end parts from ball joints, upper control arms, tie rods, everything to redo the front end. since I have the 16x10 with a 33-inch wheel. I need to replace my ball joints anyway, so I figured I'd just go ahead and replace everything. I don't know if I'll have a video up on it just because my brother wants to get work done on his Impala, so I might just take it somewhere, have them do it, and then since I won't have time or the shop space since the Impala's in there. Like I said, I am looking at another truck. It's a 4-door, either short bed or long bed. I haven't decided yet. I found a long bed. It's rough shape. Like I said, they're asking $4,000 to $5,000 ish. I'd have to look. I asked for more pictures. He said he's going to get me some. If the body is in bad a shape as I think it is, I'll probably just pass on this one. From the picture, or the couple picture he has on Craigslist, there's a big dent in the bed, which like passenger side bed, like back over here. So it need a new bed. I think it needs new inner and outer rockers. I think the front fenders might have a dent in it. So basically the whole outside would be brand new. If I can find something in a little bit better shape for about that same dollar range, that'd be awesome. But as far as that goes, I'm still going to be looking for that new truck. Well, newer. I guess it wouldn't be brand new. But like I said, videos on the 79 will be coming soon. Hopefully within a week or two. We are starting to look at wheels and tires. We're going to get it pulled into the shop. I'm going to slap some test samples on there, probably show you guys, see what you think, and then we're going to go from there. I'm going with a 6-inch lift on it, and then yeah, we'll get the ball rolling. So sorry the videos are boring again, guys. I'll have more content coming here soon. Like I said, I'm going to be working on my brother's Impala, so you'll probably be seeing some videos of that. But anyway, thanks for stopping in, guys. If you're a first-time viewer, smash that like button, hit the little bell notification, and remember, learning as I do, doing what I love. You guys stay classy. GM Man out.